Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to see a topic from plant anatomy and plant physiology, which is TS of a monocot root. Example, maize. In this video you will learn about the meaning of monocotyledon, structure of monocot root, and the characteristic present in the monocot root, which is cortex, endodermis, vascular bundle, and you will see how a monocot root looks under the microscope. Before going into the structure of monocot root, we will know what monocot means. A seed with single cotyledon is called as a monocotyledon. The structure of monocot root bears the characteristic which is epiblemma, cortex, endodermis, and stele. Stele constitutes of three tissues: pericycle, vascular bundle, and pith. The first organelle in the TS of monocot root is the epiblemma. Epiblemma is the outermost layer which has single layered thin walled cells which is made up of parenchymatous cell. Cuticle and stomata are absent in this layer. Root hair is present which helps in the absorption of water and minerals. It is also called as a rhizodermis. Epiblemma is also called as a rhizodermis, which helps in the protection of inner tissues. The next organ in TS of monocot root is cortex. Cortex is a middle layer with multiple cells. These multi-layered cells are made up of parenchyma cells. As you can see, there are spaces in between the cells which is called as a intercellular space. Food and water are stored in the cortex layer. The next organelle is endodermis. Endodermis lies inner to cortex. These are barrel shaped, closely packed cells. In this endodermis, the cells have a band like thickening which is called Casparian stripes. These Casparian stripes are made up of suberin. Suberin is a lipophilic macromolecule which helps in the healing process of a root. The next organelle is a stele. These are the tissues which are present inner to endodermis. The stele constitutes of three tissues, that is pericycle, vascular bundle, and pith. The first type of cell in stele is a pericycle. Pericycle is a single layered thin walled cells. These cells are the site of origin of lateral roots. From these cells, the lateral roots are grown. second type of tissue which constitute in stele is a vascular bundle. Vascular bundle consists of two types of cell which are xylem and phloem. These xylem and phloem are arranged in a radial manner. The xylem cell is exarch and polyarch. Exarch means these cells are extended towards the endodermis, and polyarch means these cells are present in many. The next type of cell in stele is pith. Pith is the innermost layer of stele which is present in the center. These cells are made up of parenchyma cells. These cells have intercellular space. These cells contains starch grain which helps to store the food. Now you are seeing the microscopic view of a monocot root. You can see the xylem and phloem tissue which are arranged in radial manner, and the pith at the center of the xylem and phloem tissue. In this video, we have seen the meaning of monocotyledon, structure of monocot root, the characteristic present in monocot root which is epiblema, cortex and its function, endodermis, stele, and the microscopic view of a monocot root.